Hi friend, you're welcome back to my channel at Yonsi Thrills. If you're watching me for the first time, you're very much welcome. This is Yonsi Thrills family. Please go ahead, like and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying here. So I got the skirt from a thrift store and it's actually not my size. I want a pencil skirt, but it's looking like this. Of course, I'm a tailor. I just had to pick it and then go ahead to shape it the way I want it. So I just laid it down this way, and you can see from here the back side, the fabric is more than the front, I guess because of the bum area. So I've just layered it, make sure it is straight. As you can see me do, I'm an advocate of sustainable fashion like thrift, upcycling the old one, and that is the reason for this video. And then I go ahead to take my measurement. It's good to shape a dress this way. Yes, resize or alter a dress this way instead of just trying out anything. Make sure you are working with the person's measurement. So I just marked from my waist to my hip, which is 10 inches. And I make sure I have my circumference, my hip circumference there, which is 42 inches. And I want to make this straight. So I'll mark down my hip circumference at the hemline to make it straight. Okay, so on one side my 42 inches divided by 4 is 10.5. This is on a quarter, so that's what I marked at that side, and then I'll mark the same thing at this other side. And after that, I just took the measurement from the waist down, from the hip down to the hemline of the skirt, and I went ahead to pin these. It's very good to pin. Look at the excess at the back. I went ahead to pin it, and I'll proceed to sew. So this is me sewing this. Actually, I was having a very boring day because in Nigeria, in Anambra State, Nigeria, precisely, it's our election period, and for today, which is Friday, although I don't know when I'll be posting this video, it's a sit at home kind of for people to be able to travel to their polling unit side, to be able to vote, to cast their vote and choose our next governor or maintain the current one. So yes, I just had to keep myself busy at home with this. All right, I don't even know why I'm saying all these. Okay. So I was done sewing one side and I headed over to the other side. It's very good to pin. It is very good to pin. So don't be scared of buying something that maybe it's not your size. You can resize it. Actually, I've been like this. I don't know why. Okay, so after sewing this part, I'm going to try it on to see if it gives me what I want. I just tried it on, but I observed that still at the back side, it's still kind of puffy. So I decided to shape it down more to be more like a pencil skirt. And yeah, I went ahead to do that. So like I was saying before, girls, like even before I became a tailor from secondary school, I'm not scared of getting something that is kind of beyond me. I'll use my needle and thread to just shape it anyhow, and it will look so perfect. So how about now that I'm a tailor? Of course, we go about it. So this is it. I think I have what I want, and I will iron the skirt out. So I just kind of dressed up. This bag, I have it in my channel, and I will link it up at the top right. Click it to take you to how I made this bag. Is this not looking beautiful? So don't be scared of getting that cloth, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Please don't go with my subscription and my like. Subscribe and like, okay?